Welcome to Paintbrusharmory. Today I'm going to be going over how to split one of our helmet files using Meshmixer. Meshmixer is a free software which I highly recommend, and if you combine that with the Armorsmith Designer, you should be getting helmets that'll fit your head pretty much perfect. So I like to send the helmets as whole, even though they're split, so that you can go over to Armorsmith, which you can create an avatar of your body. Especially your head is very useful, and if you drop the helmet when it's full, then you can adjust it to your head size and save it. Then you drop it into Meshmixer. Here it is, size to my head. And if you go over to edit on the left, then you go to separate shells. Now you'll see that each of the pieces, you can highlight them individually. So then I choose the front right cheek. If you want to save that, then you head over to export, type in front, save it. Then you can take that save and drop it into your slicer. And if you want multiple pieces, like if your printer can handle more, just hit shift and then you can save them like that, or you can combine them. That gives you the option if you combine them and then save that one piece. But that's how you split the helmet using Meshmixer. Thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, let me know, and thanks for watching. Bye.